God Immanent means the realization of the source of one's own existence, radiating forth as your beingness, traditionally called realization of the self. Realization is sort of the right word, but not actually. What happens is more a recognition. It's more that everything you've seen in a familiar way, now you see it as a radiance of its essence. It's like revealed. It's recognized. You recognize yourself as all that exists, as the essence of all that exists. Although it's a realization, it's really a recognition. It's also a remembrance, because as it shines forth, one wonders how one could have forgotten that. Some terrible insanity must have overtaken you, that you've forgotten who you are. How could that be? It's a wonderment. And that you were okay all along. All the lifetimes that you worried about everything was ridiculous. Your survival is guaranteed, because that which is the essence of life has neither beginning nor ending. The essence of God, then, is the infinite, unlimited context of the entire universe. God is the infinite context. The infinite context out of which the entire universe arises is in absolute, perfect, karmic, harmonic balance. The power of God is infinite. Like a giant electromagnetic field, all that exists throughout all of time, anywhere in the universe, which is constantly expanding, is held in place by this enormous electromagnetic field of infinite power. Infinite power. One of the first things that stuns you when you reach a state called self-realization is the power is of such immensity that no human imagination can even get near describing it. Not only is the beauty incapacitating and stunning and overwhelming that you can hardly breathe, but the power is so infinite